Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve some of the examples from the page number 40 and these are try this sum. This is the first set of questions in which we have to find out two multiplication products. So here find 1 by 3 into 4 by 5. So here as per the rules of multiplication we are going to write 1 into 4. Whatever is there in the numerator, we will club it together, and whatever is there in the denominator, we will club it together. So here we will multiply 1 into 4, so we will get 4, and here we will multiply 3 into 5, so we will get 15. After we will get the answer, we need to see that can we reduce it to lowest term or not. If not, then this will be our final answer. Now here, let us write this that 2 into 1 in the numerator and 3 into 5 in the denominator. So our numerator is 2 into 1, so it is 2, and our denominator is 3 into 5, so it is 15. So this is going to be our answer from this multiplication. Second set of examples are like this, that 8 by 3 in multiplication with 4 by 7. 3 by 4 in multiplication with 2 by 3. So now let us club them together, the numerators and denominator. So let us write the answer. First we will see, can we reduce it? No. We cannot divide any of this number. So here 8 into 4. So we will get 32 and 7 into 3 or 3 into 7. We will get 21. So this is going to be our answer for this multiplication, 32 divided by 21. Now here, when we are clubbing this together, before that if we will see 3 and 3, both are in numerator and denominator. So we can cut them like this. So we will write one more step like this and we will reduce it to lowest term. So here 3 ones are 3, and now here 2 twos are 4. That is how we will write. Let us separate this and we will write it. That 3 divided by 2 into 2. 4. I have written it like this. This is just for the explanation. Then into 2 divided by 3. So 3, 3, I will cut it off and I will write here 1. 3 ones are 3. Now 2 is there, one more 2 I will cut, so remaining is 2. So that's why I have written 2 into 2 is 4. 2 twos are 4. So here 2 will remain. This you do not need to write. This is just for the explanation. Now let us write whatever things are remaining. So there is nothing left in the numerator. There is nothing left in the numerator. We cannot put 0. Since here 1 is there. So we need to write 1. So if anything is not left in the numerator, then we will write 1. So 1 will be there, and then in the denominator 2 into 1. So our answer is 1 by 2. That is how we will write it. Or once you will write the answer, after that you can reduce it to lowest term. But this will be easy. That in simple first step you can reduce it to the lowest term. So hope this video has solved your many doubts, and in upcoming videos we are going to solve many more numericals. So keep practicing, keep sharing. I'll see you in next video, and don't forget to subscribe, Learn Yourself.